In this LashJoy Academy tutorial, Tara is going to show you how to wash your lashes for long-lasting retention. So the reason why you need to wash your lashes daily is because the cleaner your lashes are before your lash appointment, the longer they will last, and also when you're due for a refill, if there is a buildup of long-term oil, makeup, mascara, that will really affect your refills retention. So the first thing you need to do is wash your hands. Step 2, dispense a small amount of an eyelash extension approved cleanser onto your fingertips. Step 3, with your eyes closed, rub side to side with the cleanser, focusing on the very base of your natural lashes and extensions. Also make sure you get underneath the lashes as well, so that way the base of your lashes are very clean. If there is any oil, moisturizer, sunscreen, makeup on the base, your extensions will slip off really easily. If you like, you can use a lip gloss wand. If you have worn some non-eyelash extension approved eyeliner or mascara to help clean the very base of your lash line, you should spend about 30 seconds to a minute just rubbing side to side nice and gently, focusing on the absolute very base of your lash line. So even if you don't wear eyeliner, it's important to clean the base of your natural lashes, as our eyelids are the oiliest part of our body, and that oil later moves down onto our natural lashes and our extensions. Step 4, keep your eyes closed and make sure you rinse well with water. So if you're doing this at the sink, you may want to use a cotton round just to wet and then push that into your lash line. Try not to rub side to side too much, as you may get the cotton fiber stuck in your extensions. You're better off just patting it into your lash line. Otherwise, if you're in the shower, you can bring the water up to your face. Step 5, blot your lashes with a tissue just to dry them. Step 6, brush through your lashes to make them nice and fluffy. So I always recommend brushing downwards, and then with your eyes open you can just perfect them by brushing up slightly, but the bulk of your brushing should be brushing downwards with your eyes closed. So make sure you're cleansing every single day, at night time at the very minimum. If you do suffer from dry skin, please cleanse them at least every other day. And that's how you clean your lashes for long-lasting retention.